bobbing and weaving, yep. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha Latrice and you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me hair. They sent your girl over this 4C edges ready to wear kinky straight but with the HD minimal lace glueless deep C part wig, baby, and she is a keeper for sure. So before we get into the details of this unit, we're gonna go ahead and do a super quick install and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. Alright y'all, so we're about to get into the nitty gritty. We're about to get into this gorgeous, beautiful, kinky straight bob. And it has the 4C edges. So we're about to get into it. And let's do so.
Running, see you running, trying to catch up. I see.
Okay. So here she is, right here. Okay, let's see how it's fitting. It's fitting a little snug, but it's not like uncomfortably snug. It's not too tight, okay? The tabs are almost to my ears. They're like just a tiny bit from being on my ear. You can say it's ear to ear. It fits comfortable on my head. It is feeling snug. So, but this is her, y'all. Y'all see? This is the, you know, edging, the natural hairline with the 4C edges. And we're going to get into that in just a moment. Right now, I'm going to clip it back so we can cut the lace. And let me see, did I put the clips in on the side? Yeah, no. I'm going to clip it on the side so it's not sliding and moving around. And we'll get my scissors and just cut the middle part. And then we'll use my eyebrow razor to cut the rest of it. So you just gotta take your time and cut the lace so you do not cut any of the hair.
Baby, I need all the love. Your number.
Alright, y'all see that? This is the lace and this is the no lace. Y'all can barely see that lace. Like, y'all see that? Like, this is they lace do not be playing, y'all. Love Me got some great lace.
If you 100, you got 4 of my seed.
Alright y'all, so this is how it looks without the extra lace on it. And you can see it looks fabulous. Like, look at this. Look. Okay, perfect. So what we're gonna do next, take these clips off first. Next is I'm gonna hot comb it just a little bit. I'm gonna brush it out first. And this hair doesn't feel like it's a lot of hair on my head. Like, it's very flowy and lightweight. It doesn't feel like a lot of hair on my head at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to like bump the front of it. This hairline does look like my edges. Like, this is my hair right here. This is my hair. Okay, so like I said, it does look like my hair, but it's just a tad bit too curly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of that tightness just a little bit, not too much. We still want it to be there, just not that much. I'm gonna lift it because I don't want to burn my forehead. Honey, I ain't playing about this forehead. It may be big, but I still don't want it burnt up. So I'm just tapping it in the front. I'm not doing a whole lot. I'm just tapping it in the front. And this, yeah, this is much better. This looks more like my hair texture. Yes, honey. So next I'm going to get my wax stick. Y'all have seen this plenty of times. I'm going to link it in the description box. To me, this wax stick is doing its job. I don't have no complaints with it. And you can try it for yourself. So I'm just going to put it just on the front and around the hairline. And this doesn't have a lot of flyaways either. Like, the hair is really staying where it needs to stay. I'm not getting it all being all over the place, which is nice. So I'm gonna go in and hot comb it, just the top.
Tell my babies I need all of the hugs. The blessings hit, I got more than enough. I kiss my.
All right, so this is she. Glue this baby. Next, I'm going to get my my flat iron, and we are just going to flat iron it. Try to give it a little bump on the end. But y'all see how flowy this is? I can barely move. Like, look. Y'all see that? I can barely move it, but do it again. Y'all see that? Just the slightest movement is gonna move with you. Okay, this ain't stiff wear, honey. Stiff wear it. So we're gonna go and flat iron it and try to put a little bump up to it. I'm just grabbing sections and just bumping it. I'm just grabbing and flat iron, grabbing and flat iron it. Like, y'all see that? That looks gorgeous. It looks good just by doing that little bump right there. It looks really, really good. Okay.
Plus, catch up. See you in my review trying to catch up. Running, see you running, trying to catch up. I see you guys will leave you breathless. Breathless. You can't be me, and I'm not you. I've been talked to, and I'm not too. Feeling like bliss. I feel like I chew. Wake up, I stretch.
Okay, I'm gonna get a little mousse. So it doesn't have a lot of flyaways on this unit. It really don't. But I'm just being extra, making sure there is like barely any flyaways at all. And y'all, that's it. Really? This was super easy to put on. This is it for this unit. This is it. There's nothing else to do. Y'all can't get no easier than this. It can't get no easier than this. Like, I am done. It took me a total of what? 10 minutes? Cut the lace and bump it and you good. Like, easy, 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 easy. When I tell you easy, easy. I mean, what else? What else you need? It looks like it's my natural hair. Like, I just got a blowout done. Like, look at this. Look. Do y'all? It looks like my hair, baby. It looks like it's coming right on my scalp. Like, y'all can't tell me this ain't my hair. Like, what? What you talking about? This is mine. All mine, baby. Yes. 100% mine. Switch it up with Love Me Hair, okay? Because they got you with the quality. They got you with that good price, okay? They got you, baby. So what are you waiting on? Go switch it up and get you a Love Me Hair. Why? Because they have them great quality, ready to go wigs at an affordable price. Y'all can't get no better with Love Me Hair, okay? They got you, baby. I put this on in like 5 minutes, all right? It is the perfect beginner-friendly go top of unit. Yes, I said it. It is worthy to go in your wig rotation. This is a keeper for sure. Like, honey, imagine going to church or work or to the parent conference. Like, yes. So let me show you the back. So hyped for this unit because it is so cute. It is lightweight, it is soft. I'm not getting any tangles, no shedding, baby, no shedding. This is a great unit, all right? So simple, so easy to put on. If you want a great protective style, this is the unit for you. You want some quality hair, this is the unit for you. I mean, What else can you say? It's glueless. Glueless, baby. Take this off daily. Go to work, church, get home, and take it off. Then get up and put it back on when you're ready to go. It is a great unit to have. And I just, I'm bobbing and weaving right here. Bobbing and weaving, bobbing and weaving. Yeah. Okay. This unit got me feeling myself, okay? Because I'm bobbing and weaving, bobbing and weaving. Anyway, let me stop playing with y'all. So before we get into the details of this unit, you already know Love Me sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a baby hair comb combo, a silicone wig grip. They also sent over an elastic band to help you lay your edges down, some wig caps, and a cute little Love Me hair pouch. And they also sent over a bag to store your unit in. So I know y'all are ready to hear the details of this gorgeous unit. This is a 4C edges ready to wear kinky straight ball with the minimalistic lace. It's glueless with a deep C part, baby. She is fabulous, honey. She is so easy to wear, extremely beginner friendly. It did not take me no time to put this unit on. This was so quick. This was like the easiest and quickest unit I have ever put on. I couldn't believe how fast I put this on. Like this is amazing. So this unit has an ultra natural hairline and texture. It looks like it's growing right out of my scalp. Like y'all see, this is my hair and this is the unit. Like y'all can't tell the difference. It looks like it's coming out of my scalp. It's a glueless install. Okay, so you can take this off daily. A great protective style. It's manageable and it's low maintenance. You don't have to do a lot to this unit. Even if you do have to bump it, you can do it in no time. Very quick. The deep side part frames your face so effortlessly. Like y'all see this? Like this unit was made specifically for me. Y'all can't tell me no different. Like this was made just for me. Okay. Y'all already know Love Me has that great lace, and you do have the option to glue this down if you choose to, and you will have that flawless melt. What else do you need with a wig? It's effortless, it's glueless, it's quality. What else do you need? So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This is 100% human hair. I am wearing the color natural black. I am wearing it in the length 10 inches. The density on this unit is 150%. Like y'all see just how, oh honey, this is gorgeous. The parting is a deep C part. It goes back 6.5 inches and you have lace that goes across 4 inches. The hairline is that natural 4C hairline, and the knots on this unit is pre-bleach. You don't get a lot of lace towards the front, but this unit looks absolutely amazing. It looks so good. And the cap size is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. This unit comes with adjustable straps and an attached band that also can be adjusted as well to help you give you that glueless effect. It also comes with 3 combs, one on each side and one in the back. Glueless, you asked. Y'all already saw that it was glueless, but just in case you missed it, let me show you, boo. Glueless all day, baby. Glueless. Okay, this unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it, and this unit can be dyed. So if you want to put a little highlights in it, you do have the option to do that as well. So what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Go ahead and scoop this unit up. She will not disappoint. You will be so surprised how easy it is to put this on. It will be your favorite unit to pick up. And there you have it. I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. And if you would like to see what else Love Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out the next video, and I'll see you over there.
I feel on top of the top. I think outside of the box. I won't fall into that box. Energy, energy, energy. Live up to my name. Go wrong, take the blame. Never wanted all the fame. I stay away from that lane. I can still wake up and ball out.